Okay. So we have been talking about usage of arraylist inside hashmap, how to store a complete arraylist inside hashmap. Okay. Hashmap is defined the same as you did here on line number 7. You put two different data types, one on the left side, one on the right side. The one on the left side specifies the data type for the key of the hash map, which here in this example of type string, here on line number 7. After comma, on the right side, we have again another data type that specifies the value that we're gonna store, okay, in this hash map. And in this example, the value, the data type of the value is array list of float. It's an array list, but like whenever you use array list, you should specify a data type to this array list. So you cannot declare an array list without specifying data type to its elements, okay? So here,
Okay.
the data type of the values that will be stored in the hash map is array list, okay? But array list of which data type? Here in this example, it's array list of float. So this float specifies the data type of the array list or of the elements inside the array list, okay? But float here is not the data type of the value of the hash map. The value of the hash map is of type array list, but this array list is of type float. So float here is the data type of the elements inside the inside the array list. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Great. So on line number 8, you created already array list of data type float, and you called it company 2. Okay. Line number 10, 11, 12, you added values of type float to this array list company 2. Okay, so here we have ready initialized array list, and you sorry for the interruption again.
It's okay.
We have ready to use array list called company 2, declared, initialized, and some elements added to this array list. Okay, now we want to put the first pair of elements, okay, inside our hash map. Our hash map it's called company. So inside company, we want to put the first pair of elements. So how we're gonna do it? Here on line number 17, 18, you did it completely correct. Like company dot put, so it means you put a new pair. Each pair contains two elements. The one on the left side is the key, which in our case of type string. Okay, check line number 7. Okay.
Key value.
Yeah, the one on the right side, okay, is a value. It's called a value. And this value should be of data type array list. It should be an array list. Again, check on line number 7, string and array list. Okay. So since we have already company 2 array list, so we decided to use it on both lines 17, 18. Assume that we will create again a new array list, again of type float, and we will add some other values to this new array list. We can still like store it here in this company hash map. Can you do it?
Company, yep.
Yeah,
Store more.
create new array list is the same, exactly the same as company 2. Okay. Add some values to this new array list and then store it or put it, okay, in company hash map.
Can I do float? Float is good.
Yes, correct. No, give it, okay, give it a new name. So not be, okay, great. Okay, great.
You want me to put it in? You want me to
Now
put it in?
add some float elements to this company 3 array list. Company 3, not company 2. Okay, great. That's enough. We have now 3 new elements in company 3 array list. Now I want you to put a new pair, okay, in company hash map, okay, and I want you to store the value of this company 3, okay. I want you to store it in company hash map. Yeah, go to new line. Go to new line. Okay, now I want you to store this company 3 array list. I want you to store it inside the company hash map. Exactly the same as you did on line number 17, 18. Just focus. Company 3 is an array list or a hash map. Company 3 is array list or hash map.
It's hash map. No,
Company
it's a
3,
array.
company 3,
Yeah, it's array list. It's
company
array
3
list.
is an array list. Look,
Yeah.
now I'm telling you to put this company 3 array list to store it in hash map, in company hash map.
Hmm. Okay. Company 2. I'll make company 2 company.
That's not true. Like, it's incorrect. Please delete this line and start from the beginning. Just focus. Yeah. Focus. It's very easy. You will put a new value. Yes, correct.
Um,
You look at the data type. You need to put 2 elements, one on the left, one on the right. Each one of them has its own data type. We specified these data types on line number 7.
yeah. Yeah.
On line number
Forgot.
7, we specified 2 data types, 2 different data types for the 2 elements that we're gonna use in hashmap. It's wrong. You compare what you did okay, with line number 17, 18, okay, so you will know what you did wrong.
Yeah, it's company.
Compare this with line number 17 or line number 18. Look at line number 17, for example.
17, yeah, company. It's the company. We want company three. Company three is
Brother,
company
just
three.
look on line number 17. What did you do on line number 17?
Just string and float.
Okay, can you do the same here?
String and float. It's company three we're doing, right? Yeah, it's company three.
No.
I mean company.
Brother, company 3 is an array list. Company 2 is an array list.
Mm-hmm.
Please focus. Company is hashmap.
Okay.
Do you know why you're confused?
Because they're the same names.
Because naming,
Similar.
you give similar names to both of them. So you get confused.
Mm-hmm.
I will let you change these names to give it a meaningful name. So you will not get confused. But just finish what you're doing now, and I will let you do it later. Okay. Now, okay. Yeah, great. 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 Exactly. Okay, great.
Mm-hmm.
Now, last thing you're gonna do is I want you to print the hash map. Print the hash map, not the array list. Print the hash map.
Okay. Um,
Which one is the hash map?
let me find out. Hashmap. Okay, it's the company. Company is the hashmap.
Look, yes. Even next to its name, it's telling you which data type is this object.
Mhm.
Okay, run your program. Mm. Show me the error. Scroll up, please. No, not here. The error in the window where the error appeared. Not here.
Okay.
Run your program again. Okay, show me this error. Yes, scroll up in this error, in this window where the error is shown. Okay, yeah, wait.
Next.
Where is it? Click on this blue line.
Yeah. Blue line. Right here.
Click on the blue line. Oh, what are you doing? Ah, please, brother, delete this line. I don't know why you put this line.
Which line is it? This one right here?
Company 2 has 3 elements. Look, you added 3 elements.
Oh, this one
45,
is
45.9, 45.68, 67.88. Do you know the indices of these elements? We always count from 0. So 0, 1, 2.
0.
So the last one has index of 2. But now we are trying to get index of 3, which never exists.
Yeah,
That's why it caused an issue. You understand?
I understand that.
We have only 3 elements in this array list. Its indices respectively 0, 1, 2. Last element has index of 2. So index 3 don't exist in this array list. That's why it caused an error. Now run your program. It's supposed to work fine. Okay, great. Look, now we have how many elements, how many pairs in this hash map? How many
9
pairs
pairs.
we have in this hash map?
3 pairs each.
How many?
9 pair, or 9 in all.
9?
3 pairs. 3 pairs.
No, we have 3 pairs. Okay.
Yeah, 3 pairs. Yeah.
Yes, 3 pairs. Okay. Each pair, okay, consists of string and list of float numbers, as you can see. Each pair has a string and list of float numbers. The first pair, its string is called business. Okay. And the value is list of this 45.9, 45.68, 67.88. So this one is the first pair. Okay. Second pair, string called company, and the value stored to this key called company is another list, which is duplicate, the same as business, the same values. Okay, why? Because here on line number 17 and line number 18, you created 2 keys, company and business, and you gave the same value to both of them, which is company 2. The same list you passed to company, both company and business. So here you can see values of the list for company and values of the list for business are the same. You understand?
Hmm.
Okay. What about the last pair? Last pair
Key.
has key called CP, type string. Okay, yes, here. And what is the values in the output?
70, 67.
Read the list of the values for CP.
45, 70, 777.
Yeah,
660.
exactly. So they are paired. These values are paired with the key CP. Where does this pair come from? It came from line number 25 when we decided to put this pair of values, okay, or pair of elements, okay. We stored them in the form of key and value inside the hash map called company. You understand?
Yep.
Okay, great. I hope I made it clear this time.
Yeah.
But
It's much
last,
more clear.
last thing we need to do here is to rename our objects. Like we gave meaningless names like company, company 2, company 3, which made you confused while coding. Now I want you to call the hash map instead of company. I want you to call it my hash map.
My hash map. Okay. Want me to change it right now?
Yes, right now. I
My
wanted
hash
to
map.
change the name of the hash map to make it my hash map. No, not here. The name.
Oh, the name. Okay. Where's it here?
We look on line number 7 where we create the hash map. Where is the name of this hash map in line number 7?
Right here.
Company, yeah, exactly. So I wanted to delete this company and make it my hash map. So you'll not get confused. Okay. As you can see, there are some errors down because we just
Yeah, I
delete
have to.
company. So we will replace all this company with my hash map. Yeah, and we have one more error down. Yeah, two more. Okay, great. So now we renamed the hash map. We want to do the same for array list, for the two array lists we have. We will call the first one first array list. We will call the second one second array list. Or array list
Okay,
1, array list 2, whatever.
for company 3. Company 3 I can do. Company 3. Yeah, I'll do company 2. Company 2 will be next.
Company 2 will be renamed also. We will make it array list 1. Yeah, only one note that we should begin with, yes, small letter, not capital letter. Array list 1. Okay, great. We'll replace company 2 with array list 1.
It's much more better, much more less confusing.
Please always put meaningful names to your variables or to your objects. It's very important.
Yeah.
And it will, yeah, it will make coding easy for you because you will not get confused between objects.
True, true.
Okay. Please do the same for company 3.
Okay, company 3. I'm looking at that. Um, that's better.
Okay, great. So yeah, we are done with this complex example. I hope now it's clear to you.
Yeah, it's much more clear now.
And please, if you still have any doubts, please don't hesitate to ask.
Okay, will do. Thanks so much again.
You're most welcome.
You,
I hope
you have
yeah,
do you
I
have a
hope
site?
you enjoyed this uh, program. I know it was hard, but now I think it's clear. I
Yeah,
think it's clear too.
I'll
Okay.
do uh I'll do more practice, more
Yeah,
assignments.
exactly. You need more practice. Listen, like let's take a break for example 10 or 15 minutes, okay? And then let's come back to resume. Like we will do some other
Okay,
coding today, okay?
I just have a meeting in half an hour. I just have to go to a meeting.
And like you are in a hurry.
Well, I gotta go in and